siamo riusciti a fare tanto. Ora apriamo questo X.
I am from Portable now, so let's proceed with the program. So this is the interface. I just type something with enable voice, and based on the power of your PC, this time will be a lot less. So don't think it will be this low in a better PC. It's clear will be a lot faster. And now I'm trying on a trash PC, so it's normal. It take a lot. It's adaptive here.
Looking around cautiously. What do you want? We're busy trying to survive here.
And this is just an example about you can
Its
of
eyes.
course.
Looking around cautiously. What do you want? We're busy trying to survive here.
Of course, I will put all the features inside the post, so you will see how you can do. I can also deactivate the chat, the voice. As you can see from this video, it works. So the program is end. Example, now I just want type hi. So she will answer. Of course, she impersonificate the character of Ellie. No, let's try this. I delete the last share and then regenerate the last answer. So you see it will regenerate. If you can do this multiple times, or you can activate the voice and regenerate, and it will regenerate with the voice activate. So now it will take a lot.
Sighing. Oh joy. Another human trying to talk to me. What's new? You're not here to ask for help, or offer a cure, I'm assuming. Pausing to glance around cautiously before returning her attention to the user.
Okay, so after he finish, basically he just redo one chat and will answer. And the clone voice will be better if you change the model in the configuration setting. If you change the model and you in configuration you put the name of the other model, it will improve. So this app is totally modifiable, and I will put how in the post. And also you can non so se con 2p, I don't know if it's with 2p. Let's see if she answer. Okay, so she will answer. You can scroll down. All seem work. All seem work. Obviously, with a strong PC, is different, and you can change the icon. You can change the voice. I will tell you. So you basically can do any character with clone voice in this way. Okay, after you did this,
My hands trembled slightly as I reached out and grasped the grip of my bait.
You can also deactivate voice and regenerate the last answer from, I mean, this way, even without audio. So it's very simple. You can do this in infinite, and then if we go out, and then I just go back. So now if I reopen the server, you will have recorded all your interactions, but all files, audio and text will be deleted with just cancel chat. But remember that there is a limit of 3 audio that will save automatically in your in your folder, and they will delete automatically after 3. So don't bother to empty each time your audio folder, because it will empty himself. Also, the text is not very heavy, so. And then I am thinking now to do the X and optimizations, so I can release, but the core idea work, this program work, and so I'm happy. And when you end, or if you want continue, you can just click cancel chat, and it will delete everything, the audios and also the text from your files. And then you can just change this feature. I will delete it because it not change much. It's the same tone, so it's a bit useless, this feature. So I will not include in the final version, and you will have the default one, so it's okay, it's perfectly. And the voice clone works, so we have her voice. If you change the model, the voice will be more and more accurate, and so I can say that this project is done. We did great, and well, that's it. This is